Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 14 of my NEWvember challenge, and it is also day 1 of the new Weight Watchers points plan. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, be sure to watch this video. Today's breakfast, I have 5 points worth of corned beef hash, 2 eggs for 0 points, 1 piece of 45 calorie delightful bread for 1 point with spray butter, and a mandarin orange. So this is this morning's breakfast. It is 6 points for this, plus I have an iced coffee for 1 point, so 7 points total. For lunch today, I'm having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm having 2 points for the Sara Lee Delightful White Bread. I have 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter for 3 points and 1 teaspoon of jelly, and that is 1 point. And then I have a kiwi. So that lunch is 6 points. For dinner tonight, I'm making a stuffed cabbage casserole. I'm browning some ground beef and some ground chicken to make it lower in points. And I'm browning them with some onions, and I season it with some garlic and salt and pepper. Then I add half a cup of uncooked rice. Then I add a can of tomato soup, a can of tomato sauce, and a can of diced tomatoes. Then on top of that, I added the chopped up cabbage. And I'm going to put some of this blend on top of it. That's what I use, the blend. And some celery seed. And then I'm going to pour 1 more can of tomato sauce on top. And then I will put it in the oven and bake it at 350 degrees for about an hour, and the cabbage will be tender, and it'll be a stuffed cabbage casserole. Here's my dinner tonight. It is stuffed cabbage casserole. I made it. It tastes like stuffed cabbages, except it's in 1 pan. It's a lot easier to make. It is 5 points for a huge serving, and the points are from the beef and the tomato soup and the rice. So that is a 5-point serving, and that corn is 0 points, so this dinner is 5 points. For dessert, I'm having some peach jello that I made. It's sugar-free with 1 point's worth of fat-free Ready Whip, so that is my 1 point dessert. For a snack, I'm having 4 points worth of Sun Chips and some 2 tablespoons of the Trader Joe's artichoke spinach dip. So that is my snack at 6 points. So that's going to be the end of day 14 of my NEWvember accountability. Today was day 1 of the new Weight Watchers points program, and I ended my day with 25 points. There's not too many changes from the old plan. It's just that the free foods are the same for everyone, and you get a few more points, but you just have to count your free points that you may not have had to count before. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.